Hi guys, okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Lashybox for the month of December. If you're unfamiliar, Lashybox is $13.99 a month and you get 4 lashes and a few other products. I did not unbox this last month just because I'm trying to be better about my subscription boxes and I only want to unbox this one every other month. Personal preference, but it is an every month subscription. This is what it comes in, and let's just open this bad boy up. I did cut it open just to make my life 10 million times easier, but let's open it up. You open it up, this is what it looks like. You don't get a card or anything, which I kind of wish you did, but let's just pull out all the lashes first, which is, there's 4 pairs. The first 2 are Lashybox lashes, and they look like this. This one is the 3D silk lashes in lacy. Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. I love these. This has a little ribbon on it, so you could hang it on like a tree or something. Cute for the theme. Let's see if we can open these up. Okay, no, this ribbon is tying it shut. Okay, let's see. There we go. I pulled the ribbon off. Oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. Look at those. I love these lashes. Let's pull out the other pair that look just like it. These are the 3D silk lashes in Fancy. Okay, these are more of like a triangle pointy type lash. I'm really bad at describing lashes, but, oh, okay. These look like this. Those are absolutely stunning. And then the next pair we have is Zola lashes. Okay, I've heard of this brand. I've never tried any of their products. These are the premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. Okay, those are stunning. These are a very nice, like, everyday lash in my personal opinion. And then the last pair we have are Venice Gale Cosmetics, which I've never heard of this, but I love their packaging. It's pink and it's got little flamingos all over it, and those are super pretty. I like that the lashes we got are all very different, and I like that they include 2 lashy brands and then another brand, so we get to try those out. And then we have a few more things in the box. The next thing we have is a little thing of eyelash glue, and this is just the natural rubber latex glue. It's just a little sample. I don't know what brand this is. It doesn't say. Mine is a little like sticky on the outside. It looks like a little bit of it leaked out, but nothing crazy. I will definitely give this a try. And then we have, oh, okay, I'm excited about these. These are Lashybox, and these are like reusable cotton rounds. They are super soft. We have a light pink and a dark pink, and I'm kind of upset we didn't get a card, so I don't know what these would be worth. But they're super soft. It says 100% polyester, machine wash in cold water, tumble dry low, remove promptly, no bleach, made in PRC. Okay, I will definitely use this. I am trying to get better about not using actual cotton rounds because they're not as good for the environment. But these will work great, and they're so soft. I love how big they are. They're not the size of a normal cotton round. I really like these, and I'm super excited, and they're so soft. And last but not least, we have a Jackie Love Premium Liquid Eyeshadow. I love this packaging. Oh my goodness, it's a cute marble packaging. It says liquid eyeshadow ingredients, and then it says you can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and online, and it's vegan and cruelty free. Let's open this up, and I have mine in the shade Fairy Light, which I don't know what that means, but okay, I love the packaging. We have a frosted glass and then a very light pink lid. Let's open this up. Doesn't have a smell or anything. Okay, it's just like a little lip gloss applicator. These aren't my favorite applicators for liquid shadows, but let's do a swatch. Okay, it's a very light pink shade. Very pretty though. And like I said, it's a very light shade. Would be pretty all over the lid on top of like shadows. Super pretty. Hopefully when it dries it doesn't like crack and stuff. That'll be the true test. Let's wait for a minute to dry, but that is everything we got. So we have 4 pairs of lashes, a mini lash glue, and then the reusable cotton rounds and a liquid eyeshadow. And that's everything we got for $13.99 a month. This is a box I will continue to get. I do really like it, and I love getting lashes. I've been on a big lash kick lately. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face. You can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter for a little more behind the scenes look. And this is starting to dry, like it's not transferring onto my finger, and it doesn't look like it's cracking or anything. It is still a really, really pretty color. I'm actually pretty excited about that. It's not as pigmented as you would think, but it is still really pretty. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!